Hello students, today we will continue our class with a new topic named as The Adventures of an Understudy, written by Anthony Hope. First of all, I would like to introduce you people with the main characters of this chapter. Uh, the main character is Resendal, round whom the whole story revolves. Next character is King Redolph, whose coronation is to be done. Black Michael is the next character who is the half brother of King Redolph. Colonel Sept and Fritz were the close person of or intimate person of King Redolph. Princess Flavia is also there, who to whom King Redolph was engaged. So these are the characters which are mentioned in this chapter. Now I proceed towards the explanation of this chapter. The adventure of an understudy is extracted from a novel named as The Prisoner of Zenda, written by Anthony Hope. This chapter starts from Resendal, who was started for Rotania, where the coronation is to be done of the King Redolph, from England to see the coronation of King Redolph. Unfortunately, Resendal and King Redolph met with each other face to face in woods, or we can say in forest. They both were very much surprised to see each other, because there is no difference between the two personalities. All the similarities were there. So the day of coronation when the day of coronation came, the King Redolph was found unconscious. Seeing the condition that Black Michael wants to overcome the throne of Rutenia, in order to save the throne of Rutenia, Colonel Sept and Fritz decided and take the risk to send Resendal in place of King Redolph. Colonel Sept convinced Resendal and told all the weaknesses, all the likings, whatever thing which are related to King Redolph to him, and trained him in a well-mannered way. And finally, Resendal dressed himself in the form of King Redolph and came with Colonel Sept and Fritz towards horse, and mounted himself on the horse. On the one side, Colonel Sept was there, and another side, Black Michael was there with army persons. Slowly, they move forward and move forward towards palace. As they are reaching towards the palace, many persons commented on him, on seeing him. One old lady commented. He commented, or we can say, see in a doubtful manner, that whether he is King Redolph or not. So he removed the helmet. By seeing the color of the Resendal, he was satisfied that he is the same person, it is King Redolph. Other persons also get satisfied. Finally, all the persons reached to the palace. The attendants were there. They received them, and Resendal was taken towards the place where the coronation has to be taken place. The persons who were present there all were seeing him. None of the person doubted him. Um, he reached to the throne. All the process of coronation was done. Even the Princess Flavia, who was engaged to him, could not doubted. Black Michael also not doubted. Uh, because he get confirmed that he is King Rudolph when the rose were thrown on him while coming to the palace on him. One flower, rose flower, get on the horse mane. He picked the rose in the similar manner as King Rudolph. So there was no question of any doubt. Finally, all the persons came near to him to pay respect to King. They kissed the hand of the King Rudolph, or we can say Resendel here. The all the thing was set right, but in the meanwhile, the real king Rudolph was kidnapped by Black Michael, so he has to pretend as a king for a long time, and he was successful to rescue the king Rudolph. So this is all in this chapter. Now we stop our class here itself and will continue with new topic in next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.